Welcome all of you to Any Maths. Today's video, we shall be doing division of fractions. Okay, so how we divide one mixed fraction with another mixed fraction, or an improper with a mixed. Okay, so or a plain number we divide with a fraction. So all these we are going to learn in today's video. It is a whole number. Supposing sometimes you have a whole number and then the whole number has to be divided by a uh, fraction. Okay, it is a whole number divided by a fraction. So if you have a whole number divided by a fraction, you have to be very careful about which number has come after the division sign. The number which comes after the division sign is the one which is actually in this position, the divisor, and this one is here, the 9 is here. Okay, so we are dividing this one by this one. Now what to do? If you have a fraction here, you just write 9. Okay, and in the next step, you convert this division sign to an into sign. Okay, and in that step itself, this should not happen in another step. You have to write the reciprocal of this. So in one step, your sum changes from a division to actually a multiplication question. And now you are going to do whatever you do with a regular or fraction multiplication, you are supposed to do that. Okay. So now it is a 9 into 3, 27. Okay. So I have seen people who have actually started cancelling over here. No, you can't do it. Okay, if it is divided by 1/3, you will have to give it a reciprocal and then multiply. Okay, so we'll take a few numbers where you will see that here we got a whole number, but you will see later that we are having fractional values even here. Let's see. The next question is 8 by 9 divided by 16. Now in this question, 8 by 9 divided by 16, we have the fraction in the beginning, no problem. Okay, 8 by 9 into 1 by 16. Basically, whatever you have after the division sign, that gets the reciprocal. You know, I have seen children turning both. I have seen children turning this one. No, it is only the one which is after the division sign that gets the turn. Okay, now you do in multiplication of fractions. I've already told you how you do this. Cut this 2, and that is equal to, now you do the multiplication denominator with the denominator, that gives a 1 by 18. So that is your answer. Okay, let me take up few more questions, and you'll see each question I'll take up which has a slightly something different from the previous question. So here let me take up one question which has a mixed fraction. Okay, it has a mixed fraction in both the divisor and the dividend. Okay, so here it goes like this: 5 4 by 7 divided by 1 3 by 10. 5 4 by 7, okay, divided by 1 3 by 10. This is my sum. Okay, what to do now? Here we are going to first convert the mixed to an improper. So this becomes a 39, 5 7 is a 35 plus 4, 39 by 7 divided by, this is 13 by 10. Now remember one thing, please don't try to do the reciprocal in the very first step itself. Right now, the first step we have only changed it to improper. Then comes the next step when we are going to do that reciprocal. Okay, so we are going to into, the reciprocal goes in the same step as the into sign. So into 10 by 13. Okay, so now what next? 13 and this goes, that's a 3. So now nothing else cancels. After this, there is no more cancellation possible. So remember, cancellation is possible only with a numerator and any denominator. Between a numerator and denominator, we can do cancellation. We cannot do cancellation, just like with any numerator and numerator. So here 3, now if we have to multiply, yes, we can multiply with a numerator and numerator. So 3 into 10, that is a 30 by 7. And we can give the answer as a mixed fraction. Now you should actually give the answer. So this comes to 4 2 by 7. Okay, you can divide it and see how you convert a mixed fraction to an how you convert an improper to a mixed, sorry. Okay, so this is 7 4 is 28 plus 2 30. So we have done mixed divided by a mixed, no reciprocal for this. This remains as it is, reciprocal only for that, only for the one which comes after the division sign. Okay, now there will be some sums where they'll write the sum like this: 11 by 24 by, okay, divide this by 7 by 8. Now this is nothing but your division sign. Okay, so 11 by 24 by converts to into, in the same step give it a reciprocal. Okay, so you don't even have to write a division sign, and then cut this 3. Now no more cancellation can happen, so it is 11 by 21. Okay, so it becomes 11 by 21. Now let me take up another question where it is a mixed by a mixed now. So 5 by 9, 5 by 9, and by 3 1 by 3, by 3 1 by 3. 45, this is 50, right? 50 by 9 and by, keep writing the by. Okay, and this is 10 by 3. This is 50 by 9 into 3 by 10. Okay, and that gives me how much? This is 5. Okay, so I have converted this to into, and in the same step you see I have done the reciprocal. Then I shall be cancelling 3 with the 9. This is okay, and then 5 by 3 is my answer. I can see it is a 5 by 3, which is 1 2 by 3. That is my answer. Okay, so these are the types of division of fractions. Is, as I said, it is pretty simple. Okay, so if you are still doubtful about this, very soon I shall be uploading a video on problem sums of division of fractions. Okay, I shall also be uploading a video on problem sums of multiplication of fractions. Okay, then if you've liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks all of you.